Yes, more Nike Sacai's, more waffles for your head top. Let's go. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Sacai times Nike LD Waffle in the black on black colorway, if you say so. So yes, another sneaker review, and this time for the black version of the new Nike LD Waffle. And yeah, there's a little bit of controversy with this sneaker. I haven't actually seen that many people talking about it online, but the shoe did technically only just come out, so maybe it's not that big of news, and maybe crazily, maybe it's only a certain amount of pairs that have this fault. But I'm going to be talking about something that is a little bit strange about this shoe. But anywho, let's show you the shoe. So these come in your standard Nike Sky box, which is this orange box with Nike on that side, Nike on that side. Put it together and you get the Nike logo. Pretty cool. On the box itself, it says Nike LD Waffle Sacai, black. Yeah, and I got these in a UK 10, which is my true size when it comes to all sneakers pretty much, and especially Nikes. But yeah, show you the shoe. And boom, here is the shoe in all its black and black and what color is that? Yeah, this shoe's black and green. Yeah, it's green, yo. I'm serious. And it's not just my pair. Like, if I was the only one that I knew had this shoe, I'd be like, wait a minute, did I get some like bug pair or something? But I actually saw some pictures online and I thought maybe people are just in weird lighting or something. But turns out, supposedly, from what someone told me, that the suede on this shoe, obviously it was supposed to be black. The first pictures we saw, it was all black, but something to do with the oxidization or something inside the box has turned pretty much every pair green. Like, certain light it kind of still looks black, but when you see it, that ain't black, yo. That's green. It's like a forest green. Luckily, I don't actually mind it. It actually kind of looks cool still, but it's not the shoe that I was sold originally. But anywho, let's get some details and show you more of this shoe. So yes, this is your standard Nike Sacai collaboration with the LD Waffle and all that. Mixture of two shoes, so you got a mixture of two things going on with both shoes. The difference between these new pairs, which are the nylons, compared to the standard pair is the toe box. You get this sort of nylon material on the toe box, which you didn't get on the original pairs, and you also get this sort of ruffled suede along the toe box as well, which is definitely not black. That ain't black, what anyone tells you. But you do get this nice flat black leather, and the toe box does look pretty sick as it is, to be fair. The standard old pair, which I still have down here, was this one here, which was sort of a mesh material where you could see through it, whereas this one is a nylon where you can't see through it. But yeah, as with all the Sacai's, it's made of two different shoes together, so you get a double swoosh, one in black leather, one in this forest green suede. I'm going to keep saying it is what it is. Back of the shoe says Nike Sacai in black with the text above it on the heel counter, which says Nike Sacai. A very nice little touch. Medial side of the shoe is pretty much exactly the same as the lateral side, so nothing extra crazy to see here. You get that same nylon going around the whole of the shoe, and then you get the suedes alongside the eyelets here. You do get those funny laces. It is a nylon, and they've decided to go with this sort of ribbon kind of thing as a lace. I don't love it. Luckily, they do supply you with spare laces, so they will be going in, but I figured for the review I'd show you how they're going to come out of the box, because if you bought these on resale and then you found these, you'd be like, wait a minute, that's not what I was expecting. So at least you know how it does come. And the shoe has these little gold tips as well. Something that I hadn't noticed before was that there are actually two laces on this pair as well. One is that ribbon kind of lace, and one is this sort of skinny rope lace as well. So you get double on that as well. On the tongue, like all the Sacai's, you have a double tongue One of them says Nike Sportswear and the one behind it says Nike Sacai. Inside the shoe, you get Nike Sacai branding as well. Then boom, back of the shoe, you get that waffle sole with the little paint written just there, where it tells you about when this was painted back in the day. But yeah, gonna chuck these on feet, tell you what they're like, tell you what the sizing is like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Sacai times Nike LD Waffle on feet. What did you think? Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're definitely not as cool as that black and white pair that I was showing you before. That is, to me, one of the most fire ones there is, especially in a black colorway, of course. But they're still dope and they're different, so something different to have. This pair definitely is going to be rocked more as a beater, whereas this, not a beater, because I don't beat up any of my sneakers, but that pair is like sparingly worn, like when I know it's definitely a nice day and nothing crazy is going to happen, whereas this pair I'll be a little bit more free when rocking it. But yeah, sizing wise, I'd say these run the same as the previous pair, so if you have any of them, copy in the same size. If not, I would say these true to size for me. I'm a UK 10 in all my Jordans, Air Max 1s, whatever. I rock a UK 10. I rock these in UK 10, they fit me fine. Some people with slimmer, skinnier feet have got a way of going half a size down, so that is possible. If for some reason it's a little bit cheaper and it's all you can get, go for that. But for me, true to size fits me fine. Resale price, I guess this is, the last I looked was in the 200 to 230 kind of range for people that are selling it. I personally, because of the colorway, because it's not actually black, it's black forest green, I wouldn't pay between like 180 and 210 maybe is what I'd be willing to go for. Retail was £140 on this, FYI, as well, so that's the kind of price I'd be looking at. Nowhere near the resale price for the current, like the first sort of releases, where that's in the 300 to 500 range. Like I've been looking at Summit Whites for a while, but it's like 350 plus and it's a lot of money, whereas I would never pay that for this, hell no. But it's not a bad shoe, just not the best one of the bunch, and this toe box is going to crease. If you've rocked the Undercover Daybreaks, it's very similar, like, so just so you know. But anywho, hopefully you enjoyed the review, hopefully you learned something, hopefully if you do cop it, you love it. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, @BrashSneakers, dope pictures posted pretty much every day. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. I'm out. Later, yo.